Right now, sentiment around data science is hitting a remarkable plus 0.80 with momentum at plus 0.78, indicating a strong upward trend. This spike is significant compared to historical sentiment, which usually hovers around plus 0.50. The current surge suggests that discussions are not only positive, but also gaining traction, possibly due to recent breakthroughs in AI or data analysis techniques. Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters that help you understand the context behind these numbers. For example, if you're building a recommendation engine, you could leverage this data to tune your algorithms, aligning them with current trends and sentiments in the data science community. To dive deeper into how you can use this for your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.